Alrighty guys, today we're going to be learning how to tell time. Now this is my clock, and if you see I've got two arrows. I have a short arrow which is blue and a long arrow which is red. The short blue arrow tells me the hour and the long red arrow tells me the minutes. So anytime I see this blue short arrow on the numbers 1 through 12, that's the first number of my time. So for instance, the short blue arrow is pointed to the 3, so it's going to be 3. And then the long red arrow, the minutes, is pointing to the 12, which means on the hour it would be 3 o'clock. But what if I had moved my long arrow to right here? What time is it now? My 3, the blue arrow is still pointing to the 3, but now my long minutes red arrow is pointing to one of these little ticks. Well, let me move this so you can see. Each one of these ticks, you start after 12, you start with 1. That's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. When I get to the 1, that's 5 minutes. After that, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. When I get to the 2, it's 10 minutes. So if I put 3, the short arrow on the 3, and then I put the long arrow right there, how many minutes is that? Whoop, it moved. Okay, let's count. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So my time is 3:03. Now, it'll be 3:03. But if I move my minutes hand to the 1, it would change it. It would go from 3:03 to 3:05, because if you count the little ticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember I said 5 minutes is on the 1? It's written as 3:05. Well, if I move it to our minutes hand onto the 2, if you remember, I told you that when it's on the 2, it's 10 minutes. So our hour is 3, hour 3. We count our ticks. Oh, I think it keeps moving on me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 3:10. See how Miss Eamon did that? Awesome. Now I'm going to bring in some more clocks to show some differences. All right, so I've got my first clock, my second clock, and then my third clock. So this first one is easy. What time is it here? My short hour hand, which is the blue, is on the 3, so we know 3 is my first number. Let's put it down here. And then my long minutes hand is on the 12, which is on the hour, so it's 3 o'clock. Now let's move over here. We see once again my short hour hand is on the 3, so 3 is my first number. But my long red minutes hand, it's on the 6. Well, how many minutes is that? Well, I'll tell you a trick. If you start at the 12 and you start to count by 5s, so 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15, 4 is 20, 5 is 25, and the 6 is 30. So our time is, the hour is 3, the minutes are 30. It is 3:30. How about this one at the bottom? We'll do it down here. So we see our shorthand, once again, is on the 3. We know that's the time of the hour, and our long hand is on the 9. Well, if we count by 5s again, starting at the 12, So 1 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Our minutes are 45 minutes. The time is 3:45. Thanks for watching.